The 1967 Bob Reisner the Invader is one of the most ambitious and recognizable American show rods of the late 1960s. Built in California by custom car builder Bob Reisner, it was designed as a functioning roadster rather than a static display piece. The car became one of the earliest and most important creations associated with the California show car fleet. The Invader reached national attention in 1967, appearing on the cover of Hot Rod magazine in July of that year. Its greatest competitive achievement came at the Oakland Roadster Show, where it won the title America's Most Beautiful Roadster in both 1967 and 1968. The rules were later changed to prevent the same car from dominating the competition in this way. Its engineering was as unusual as its appearance. The Invader was built around a twin-engine concept, using two Pontiac 400 cubic inch V8 engines, each connected to its own transmission. The engines were later rebuilt by HP Automotive, increasing compression from 10.1 to 11.5/1. Melling hydraulic camshafts and synchronized Carter AFB carburetors contributed to the distinctive sound produced by the two engines running together. The car also used two 4-speed hydromatic units, controlled by a single console-mounted stick through a complex system of brackets and linkage. At the rear were two 1961 Jaguar differential assemblies, one equipped with limited slip. Its independent suspension incorporated Jaguar components and Girling coilover shock absorbers. The hand-formed aluminum body gave the Invader its futuristic roadster profile. After its Oakland victories, the Invader spent more than 20 years touring internationally as part of California Show Car. It appeared at events in 31 countries and was seen by millions of spectators. Reisner and J. Orberg eventually ended their partnership in 1972, while other California show car creations became increasingly extravagant. In 1998, the Invader suffered severe damage while returning from a tour in Korea. It broke loose inside a shipping container, crushing sections of its delicate aluminum bodywork. Ron Martinez, a television producer, acquired the damaged car and commissioned Scott Gildner of Van Nuys to restore it. The restoration was completed in time for the 50th anniversary Oakland Roadster Show in 1999, with the car receiving its candy brandywine over white pearl finish. Today, the Invader remains a rare survivor of California's golden age of custom show rods. Its enormous width, twin Pontiac engines, unusual drivetrain, and uncompromising design make it difficult to drive regularly. Yet those limitations are part of its character. The Invader survives not merely as a famous show car, but as a remarkable example of the engineering imagination and theatrical craftsmanship of 1960s American custom car culture.